Iceland, the land of fire and ice. But in November, it's just a land of epic. I brought my friends and even my father along for the ride. From the vibrant energy at Reykjavik, Snorri and I hit the road with everyone else in a follow car. He's in the driver's seat and we are trailing this breathtaking volcanic coastline. This isn't just a trip, it's a pilgrimage to one of the most stunning places on Earth, the end of the Whale Fjord. Our mission, it's simple. It's a pure cookout over an open fire. The views were incredible, but the island had other plans. As the light started to fade, the wind became a force of nature. That roaring open fire, impossible. But this is Iceland. Snorri doesn't quit. He has a better idea, a true Icelandic curveball. Instead of a field cookout, I'd be cooking with a chef I'd never met.
I'm with Chef Alexander Alvin. We are outside of Hotel Glimmer at the end of Fjordur.
Alexander is a chef helping to open this incredible Hotel Glimmer, our destination. It was just us, the wind howling outside, and a kitchen under renovation. With limited light, a small gas grill, and heavy wind, we took on an uncompromising menu. When the cooking was done, we gathered at a long table. My friends, my father, and our new Icelandic family. We had the whole silent hotel to ourselves. Over that incredible family-style meal, Snorri and I finally shared the story of how our paths first crossed.
Well, my father tells me, like, never ruin a good story with the truth.
And why I keep coming back to this beautiful yet challenging country.
Thank you for watching. What do you want to cook?